which of the following is a benefit of incorporating EdTech into the classroom? Ito, mukhang paulit-ulit yung ating questions. Benefit of EdTech, ensuring uniform learning experiences, reducing the need for teacher involvement. Halos magkaparehas, no, sa ating question kanina. Enhancing student engagement and motivation, or letter D, eliminating the use of traditional teaching materials. Okay, letter C. And of course, letter C is tumpak. Na? So, hindi po uniform ang learning experiences. Hindi po nire-reduce yung paggamit natin kay teacher. Hindi po ini-eliminate yung traditional teaching natin. Meron pa rin naman, no? But we'd want to use our EdTech so that engagement and motivation of students are enhanced, no, na i-improve yung kanilang motivation kapag gumamit ka ng mga games, no, yung mga gamification inside the classroom, natutuwa sila, 'di ba? At gustong-gusto nila. Okay? So letter C po 'yan.